1997 to 2004 Chevrolet Corvette door speaker adapters. Accommodates 6, 6, 5 and 6. 75 aftermarket speakers. Made from OEM-style automotive grade, high-temp ABS plastic. Color: black. Included components: speaker connector, manual. Top reviews from the United States. Modify them for best results. They work as they should if you want to install 6. 5 inches speakers. The factory Bose system in the C5 Corvettes use a 3 1/4 as well as a 10 inches sub in both doors with the amplifier behind them. With these adapters you will lose the amplifier and the mid-high range speaker. I modified the mounts to house the amp as well as an aftermarket speaker by using the factory speaker bracket for the top speaker. Use a hole saw and cut a hole based on the marked top center point on the Metra adapters. That is the purpose of the marking. You will be able to route all of your wires that way. Also, you will need to extend the pigtails. Just solder them. My pictures should describe what I am talking about. This is a great setup for doing components like from the factory.